If you're a biryani lover, you're absolutely gonna love this chicken tikka biryani recipe. You're gonna start off by marinating some chicken in spices, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, and some lemon juice and give it a mix. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to take a large pot and boil some water with vinegar, salt, bay leaves. We're going to add our rice and boil it till each grain just simply snaps. To get that smoky flavor in our chicken, we're going to heat a coal. Then you're going to take your marinated chicken and cook it in a pan, stirring it occasionally. Once the chicken is cooked, we're going to add the coal into the pot and add a teaspoon of oil to get it smoky and set it aside. And now for the biryani masala. You're going to take a large pot, heat ghee, add fried onions along with ginger garlic paste and spices, add a splash of water and some tomato puree. Then we're going to add yogurt and cook that till the oil separates. We're going to add in our smoked chicken tikka, cook it till it's well incorporated together. Then we're going to sprinkle some green chilies, our rice, fresh coriander, mint, and some red food color. And then we're going to cover the pot and let the biryani steam. And now it's time to dish it out and enjoy.